but it's okay. We're going to get through this. We're gonna knock this thing out. I'm almost there, y'all. I'm almost there. Super excited. So come on, let's go. All right, here we go. Here we go. Moment of truth. Flies mess on my ears. All right. We in there. We are in there. Nice. We are in there, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Even I do have a slight gap right there. Back there again. But we can put some hinges on this thing and rock and roll. I really need to close that gap. If I close that gap, it'll fit just right. So the hard part is done. The door is on. The frame is up. Now it's time to wrap it with the hardware cloth along the bottom, chicken wire across the top, and it's time to enclose this thing. So let's keep going. Here we go, baby. Trucking along, got the base done. I'm working the chicken wire on the top, and then I throw the tarp on, and that's it. So, still getting it, y'all. Struggling, y'all. I think I'm got the latest strips this way because they're just not even, and it's making it really challenging, I think. And I guess I could continue to run it straight, but there'll be less strips, so whatever. I think I'm gonna keep doing that. I just gotta get it done, man. Just gotta get it done. Okay, y'all. Hey, hey. Something like that. All right, y'all. So we're getting ready to finish up the chicken tractor. This is it. Final touches. I do have a handle light to put on here, but gonna put the roof on, and we're gonna be good. So here we go, finishing it up. The last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this tractor tonight, this evening, and then we'll move the turkeys over tomorrow, and the chickens over tomorrow, the meat chickens, and that way everyone gets a fresh start on their new journey tomorrow. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get this over to its right place.
Today's a good day. Who has a good day? It's me. We all have a good day. Do you want to build a snowman? see the world with your very own eyes. I got eyes like an alligator. And that's on period.